Hey, Kurt. Kurt.
What?
I love this store. Look at that. Sweet corn, eels, hoagies, hunting license. My kind of store. There's Kurt getting our bait. So, check it out. How many's in there?
8.
Oh. Look at this.
Good luck counting them.
You sure it's 8?
I think so.
Alright. Okay. What's wrong? You put water in with them?
Oh, right on babies.
Look at them. Yeah. Don't worry, boys. You're going to be on the water pretty soon. Well, here we go. Another one of our fish adventures.
It's like Andy Griffith, isn't it? Down the railroad track, fishing pole.
Yeah. We're going to see if we can catch them.
I would whistle if I knew how to remember the tune. I would whistle. Oh, that's it.
So what are we going to try catching today?
Stripers and catfish.
All right.
Maybe smallmouth.
This is what you caught that monster catfish the other night.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you out there. All right, here we go. I'm making our way out of the water. Huh?
Water's up this Monday.
Uh-oh.
Look at all those ducks and geese.
Yeah. A little higher out here?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, that's the rock I was standing on, and that rock was like 10 feet across on Monday. Now it's only 2 feet across.
Oh, right out there?
Yeah.
How deep is it out here?
I don't know.
I guess we'll find out.
Yep.
All right. All right, here we go. You can see I got my eel on. There's Kurt out there in the rocks. Where Kurt caught that big monster catfish. See if I don't fall ass over head doing this. Woo-hoo-hoo, baby! That'd be a caddy, Kurt. You know? We'll see. It's a catfish. Nice one.
Nice caddy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Not bad, right?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Come on, quit playing with them.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about, Kurt. Woo, baby! Not bad, huh?
Nah.
Channel cat, right?
Yeah.
He must be about 3 pounds.
About 3, yeah, I would
Good
say.
eating, huh? Got dinner.
Yeah.
All right.